Hello. Today we will be talking about the transcription guidelines of Josh Talks. These guidelines have to be used whenever we want to deliver high quality transcription projects with Josh Talks. The first point is verbatim transcription. We do not want to make any kind of corrections, additions, omissions to the audio. We do not want to modify the grammar or paraphrase what the audio said. If the audio says I was thinking about it, then the sound of has to be transcribed as and mentioned in the transcription. Second is use of proper nouns. Whenever we are using names of cities, company names, places, they have to be transcribed in the language of transcriptions. For an example, Delhi एक अच्छा शहर है has to be transcribed as दिल्ली एक अच्छा शहर है. When we are saying the audio, मेरा नाम David है. David has to be written in Hindi if the transcription is done in Hindi, and it has to be mentioned in the language of the transcription. Third point is mispronunciations. Whenever we mispronounce a word, that is, a word is spoken incorrectly, it has to be mentioned, the correct word has to be mentioned next to the incorrect word in the curly brackets. For an example, as written here, if the audio says, I want to take a vaccine, and we know that they mean vaccine, then the transcription has to say, I want to take a vaccine, and the curly bracket needs to include vaccine with the right spelling. The fourth point is abbreviations. Abbreviations are shortened form of words and phrases, and they can be transcribed in their full form regardless of however they are spoken. If the audio says I traveled 5 km today, it has to be written as I traveled 5 kilometers today. The cost of this is 20 rupees. So the word rupee has to be transcribed RUPEES in the language of transcription. Speaking about acronyms. Acronyms are